Next question. Which one of the following statements best reflect the chief purpose of the constitution of a country? Four statements are given. First, that it determines the objective for making necessary laws. This is wrong. It enables creation of political offices and government. It is wrong. It secures social justice, social equality, and social security. It is wrong. Chief purpose is that it defines and limits the power of the government. Now see, this is our Indian polity booklet for as Prelims 2023, page number 25. Now this chapter, features of Indian Constitution. Here it is clearly mentioned. Constitution establishes parliamentary system, presence of nominal and real executive, majority party rule, collective responsibility of the executive to the legislature, leadership of the prime minister, independent judiciary, division of powers, 3 legislative lists, secular state, single citizenship, emergency provisions, 3-tier government. So therefore the chief purpose of the constitution is that it defines and limits the power of the government. Therefore C is the answer and this question is solved.